Stop, please don't skip the video. In this video today, I will share with you some important tips of Messenger, how to fix Messenger waiting for network problem. See this problem, don't worry, I'll fix the problem. First click your Wi-Fi or mobile internet connection. Look, my problem still remains. Now press and hold on Messenger. Click Info icon. Now click Storage. Delete Clear Data and Clear Cache. Now back here and go to Play Store. Searching here Messenger. Now update your Messenger. Now open Messenger. Log in your Messenger. Look, now it's open properly in my Messenger. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel.